Hello guys, welcome to BCG Health TV. Spring is here, and you know what that means? Time to shake off those winter blues and get that skin glowing. And what better way to do that than by making sure you're loading up on all the right vitamins and supplements? Today we're diving deep into the top vitamins and supplements that'll help you achieve that radiant, healthy skin you've always wanted. We'll break down why each one is important, how they work their magic, and the best ways to incorporate them into your routine. So whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, or just want to give your skin an extra boost, stick around. We've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, we've got a powerhouse vitamin you've definitely heard of, vitamin C. This essential nutrient is not just for boosting your immune system, it plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy, radiant skin. This vitamin is absolutely essential for your skin, and for good reason. It helps in multiple ways to keep your skin looking its best. First and foremost, vitamin C is a VIP player in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to your skin, keeping it firm and smooth. Collagen is what gives our skin its structure, firmness, and that youthful bounce. Without enough collagen, skin can start to sag and develop wrinkles. As we age, our collagen production naturally declines, thanks time, so it's crucial to replenish it, but that's not all. Vitamin C also helps to repair damaged skin cells and promotes overall skin health. Vitamin C is also a potent antioxidant, meaning it helps protect your skin from damage caused by those pesky free radicals we're constantly exposed to. These free radicals can accelerate the aging process. Think pollution, UV rays, and even stress. They all contribute to free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging. This is why antioxidants like vitamin C are so important. Vitamin C swoops in like a superhero, neutralizing those free radicals and keeping your skin looking fresh and youthful. It's like having a protective shield for your skin. So, how do you get more vitamin C? It's easier than you might think. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and even broccoli are great sources. Incorporating these into your diet can give your skin a natural boost. You can also find some amazing vitamin C serums and supplements on the market. These products can be directly applied to your skin for maximum benefits. Next up is another antioxidant powerhouse, vitamin E. This one's a bit more of a behind-the-scenes worker, but trust me, it's just as important as vitamin C. Vitamin E is all about nourishing and protecting your skin from damage. It's like a shield that keeps your skin looking youthful and vibrant. It works by neutralizing those harmful free radicals we talked about, preventing them from wreaking havoc on your skin cells. This process is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your skin. This means fewer wrinkles, less hyperpigmentation, and a more even skin tone overall. Imagine having smoother, more radiant skin that glows from within. But vitamin E doesn't stop there. It's also incredibly moisturizing. It helps to keep your skin soft and supple. It helps to strengthen your skin's natural barrier, which is essential for locking in moisture and keeping your skin hydrated and plump. This is especially important in harsh weather conditions. You can find vitamin E in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Including these in your diet can boost your skin health from the inside out. And just like with vitamin C, there are also some fantastic vitamin E oils and creams that can give your skincare routine an extra boost. These products can be a game changer for achieving that perfect skin. Let's talk about vitamin A, a vitamin that's all about keeping your skin cells happy and healthy. It's often hailed as a true superhero in the world of skincare. Vitamin A is a retinoid, and retinoids are basically the rock stars of the skincare world. They are found in many skincare products and are known for their powerful effects. Why are they so great? Well, for starters, vitamin A helps to speed up cell turnover, which means your skin is constantly regenerating itself and getting rid of those dead skin cells that can make your complexion look dull. This process is essential for maintaining a youthful and vibrant appearance. This leads to brighter, smoother, and more even-toned skin. It's like giving your skin a fresh start every day. But wait, there's more. Vitamin A also has some pretty impressive acne-fighting properties. It's a go-to ingredient for those struggling with breakouts. It helps to regulate oil production, unclog pores, and prevent those pesky breakouts from popping up in the first place. This makes it a must-have for anyone with oily or acne-prone skin. You can find vitamin A in foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, and leafy greens. Incorporating these into your diet can help boost your skin's health from the inside out. And of course, there's the holy grail of skincare, retinol. a potent form of vitamin A that can work wonders for your skin. It's often recommended by dermatologists for its effectiveness. Just remember to start slow with retinol and always use sunscreen during the day, as it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Protecting your skin is key to reaping the benefits of vitamin A. You might know vitamin D as the sunshine vitamin, and it's not just essential for strong bones. It plays a crucial role in skin health too. Vitamin D is all about balance. It helps to regulate skin cell growth, ensuring that everything is functioning as it should. This means it can be helpful for a variety of skin concerns, from dryness and eczema to psoriasis and even acne. It also has protective benefits, acting as a shield against environmental damage and helping to reduce inflammation. Now, while you can get some vitamin D from foods like fatty fish and egg yolks, the best way to optimize your levels is by getting some safe sun exposure. Just remember to always wear sunscreen and avoid prolonged sunbathing, as too much sun can actually damage your skin. Let's move on to a group of essential fatty acids that are crucial for overall health, including the health of your skin: omega-3s. You can think of omega-3s as your skin's internal moisturizer. They help to strengthen your skin's natural barrier, which, as we mentioned earlier, is key for preventing moisture loss and keeping your skin hydrated and supple. But omega-3s are also incredible anti-inflammatories. They can help to calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and even improve conditions like eczema and psoriasis. The best way to up your omega-3 intake is through your diet. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources, as are flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. You can also find omega-3 supplements, with fish oil and algal oil being popular choices. Now, let's talk about zinc, a mineral that's often hailed as an acne warrior. Zinc is essential for healthy skin cell growth and repair, and it also plays a vital role in regulating oil production. This means it can be super helpful for those struggling with acne, as it can help to reduce inflammation, control breakouts, and even minimize the appearance of scars. But zinc's benefits don't stop there. It's also a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin from environmental damage and premature aging. You can find zinc in foods like oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and lentils. And of course, there are also zinc supplements available if you're looking for an extra boost. Let's move on to biotin, a B vitamin that's often marketed as a beauty booster. Biotin plays a crucial role in the metabolism of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, all of which are essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. While more research is needed to confirm its direct impact on skin health, biotin deficiency has been linked to skin issues like dryness, rashes, and even hair loss. So, while it might not be a miracle worker, ensuring you're getting enough biotin can definitely contribute to your overall beauty routine. You can find biotin in foods like eggs, salmon, avocados, and sweet potatoes. And of course, biotin supplements are widely available as well. Remember when we talked about collagen and how important it is for youthful skin? Well, collagen supplements have become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. As we age, our natural collagen production declines, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and a loss of elasticity. Collagen supplements aim to replenish those dwindling collagen stores, helping to improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and even promote a more youthful complexion. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term benefits of collagen supplements, they're generally considered safe and well-tolerated. You can find collagen supplements in various forms, including powders, capsules, and even gummies. You might be surprised to see probiotics on this list, but trust me, there's a strong connection between your gut health and your skin health. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and yes, even skin health. When your gut microbiome is balanced and thriving, it can have a positive impact on your skin. Probiotics can help to reduce inflammation, improve skin barrier function, and even reduce the severity of conditions like acne and eczema. You can support your gut health by consuming probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. You can also find probiotic supplements in various forms. Last but not least, let's talk about hyaluronic acid, a humectant that's like a tall drink of water for your skin. Hyaluronic acid is naturally found in our skin, where it acts like a sponge, attracting and holding on to moisture. However, just like with collagen, our natural hyaluronic acid levels decline as we age, leading to dryness, fine lines, and a loss of plumpness. Hyaluronic acid supplements and topical skincare products aim to replenish those levels, helping to keep your skin hydrated, plump, and youthful. You can find hyaluronic acid supplements in capsule or powder form, and it's also a common ingredient in serums, moisturizers, and sheet masks. So there you have it, guys. Those are my top picks for vitamins and supplements that can help you achieve that radiant, healthy skin you've always wanted. Remember, a healthy diet, proper hydration, and a good skincare routine are all essential for maintaining healthy skin. These vitamins and supplements are just here to give you that extra boost and support your skin from the inside out. As always, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any new supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.